hit the lotto, then my bills would all be paid. Money no longer would be a bother. My life would never be the same. We could travel all around this world, fly first class every day. But if I never hit the lotto, would you still love me anyway? Perhaps one day I'll reach the big time. The whole world would know my name. Well, every other...
Pros would attack his ass, dude. They would just. I heard that you guys started working for Isaac about 2 years ago. Is that what he said? Working for him, not with him? Well, you know, he's been doing this since period. I got vision though. You know, you can see my vision, but.
귀여워. 오. 안녕하세요. 이쪽 방이요.
다 이쪽 방이신가요?
네네네.
그러시죠.
스프 맛있겠다.
불고기 시그니처 맛있게 먹겠습니다. 가격수가 엄청 맛있어요. 패키지도 예쁘다. 그치? 귀여워. 돌고래 봤어?
또 괜찮아?
맛있어. 먹어봐.
맛있지?
식감이 완전 좋네.
아, 귀여워.
난 이거 빵 위에다 넣어서 먹거든. 아빠.
The sky is so pretty right now. I wonder if your pretty eyes see it. I need a good love. I wonder if you're ever gonna be it. In a couple weeks, I could drive away, and you could find